Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today was not a very good day for us, but still we were able to manage some profits. Initially, this total PNL that you can see here, which is coming out to be around 9,500, was approximately 35,000 in the morning after the morning session started, of which I've booked around 11,000 of profit today. Had to make some adjustment, I had to make some alterations to my existing trades, although I'm not too proud of them. But let's assess what were the things I did, what I felt was not too good, what I felt was good enough to be exited, right? So let's start from the first position, which is my Nifty position, right? So I believe I exited my Nifty position maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, and today I made another position. The market kept falling. Let's see the graph of Nifty at, let's say, a 3-minute chart. The market started a bit uh, like it started with a gap down, went up a little bit and then down, right? By this time, maybe I think I saw the markets and maybe I wanted to take some trades here. The problem was that the market has already fallen quite a bit for the last few sessions, right? I was waiting for this price to actually go below this point, the ranges of 24,500, which it did. And I took a decision that maybe the market's going to fall even further, and that's why I created a bear call spread as one of my strategies here, right? I sold off the 24,800 call and then bought a 25,000 call for safety. I initially bought 4 lots. Right now, if you can see, there are 2 lots present because my positions went against me. As you can already see, I'm having some around 15,500 loss in my position that I sold, whereas around 8,000 profit is the safety one. So I exited 2 lots from each of them at somewhere around when this was giving a loss of 6,800 and it's giving a profit of 3,200. And then the market gained a bit further, giving me some losses. But I'm going to hold this position for some while now. Right? Uh, Given this situation, I think this was not a very good trade. Uh, we did not have a very clear indication that the market is going to go any further. It was just near its support level, maybe a bit down, but we cannot always be very sure of the exact levels of the support. So sometimes we have to take some kind of buffer. So right now, if I show you the graph of Nifty, around this level, I saw that, at 24,500, there was some support, but it went down, but it closed eventually on the higher side of 24,500. So I should have waited for the market to close before taking this trade, right? So you guys can avoid such a mistake. In Bank Nifty, I had this position where I sold a 58,000 call. I made some 8,000 profit in this position, and given that I felt that the market was going further down, and to make further profits, I exited this position and actually bought a lower call option. Like I sold this position at 57,000. So if you see the graph, you'll see that if the market closes up to 57,000 till expiry, I'm still would be at a profit of 15,000, right? But if I would have held on to this position itself, the profits would have been lower, right? So just to increase my profits, I uh, took a more riskier trade wherein I exited the 58,000 position and took a 57,000 position, right? And it kind of backfired when the market went up because now it's giving me a tentative loss of 3,500. All right, but I can still hold on to this because this was for a monthly expiry. Tomorrow is a Friday. Maybe I'll just have to hold on it for one more day and then the weekend would come. So probably I'll have some theta decay in my favor, right? Let's discuss the trade on Dabur. Um, I was holding a position of selling a 540 call option. Uh, it initially went down a little, giving me somewhere around 3,000 profit, notional profit. But eventually, when the market rose, it also gained a little, and then it was giving me 1,000 loss. In the end, I also, mm, took one more position. I also sold off the 505 put option for this one, specifically because I saw that the FMCG sector was rising now. If you see, let's see the FMCG sector um, on a daily chart. Yeah. So see the chart is actually showing an uptrend where it fell down from here to here, but then it again rose back. Uh, it did not cross this level, so this positive or the green candle can show that the market can rise above from this position, or it can actually fall back to this position. So we're not very sure. So kind of had a double position to like kind of hedge my position in Dabur. I created a strangle out of it instead of a naked call. Uh, in terms of Davis Lab, um, I had a quite bit of history with this. A few days back, um, I sold a 7,000 call option uh, when the market was somewhere here, right? But then I saw that the quarterly results were coming up for Davis Lab, so I exited in a position. Uh, Overall, I kind of somehow had a loss of around 15,000 in my positions because the position that I sold did not go into my favor. So I exited all my positions and waited for the quarterly results to come out. Once they were out, now the stock is a bit stable. And when I saw this fall, maybe I was hoping that the stock might fall even further. And even today, if you see, the stock went down quite a bit from this place to this place, right? And I was under the impression that it might fall even further. Now all these are just speculations. I did not have any concrete logic to back me up, right? So again, this was also not a very good trade, as we can also see that this was some level of support for the stock. So probably, it had that support from here, and then it rose back to its levels. And probably when it was down, I kind of sold a 6,500 call position, naked call position. Uh, but because it gained back its price, it's now giving me a loss of 3,300 as of now. I'll wait on to this position until Monday, and then let's see how it goes. I want to capture at least a few days theta. Maybe hope that the market goes into my favor. In my DLF position, the position still remains same. I did no change here. The market went further down 0.6%, gave me some profit more probably than yesterday. Same goes with Godrej Property, 0.9% down, gave me some more profit here. It's because the whole sector is actually going down. The realty sector is down, so I'm still open to wait and watch on these positions. The HCL tech sector was also going down, but today it rose back like 0.8%. But I'm still in profit for this position because I had a far out of the money position that I sold. So probably because of theta decay, the prices have lowered down, and I'm still in profit. For JSW Steel, um, I only had the position of uh, like these two. I had a strangle in which I sold one 1140 call and 950 put option. By the time the market rose at the end of like around 10-15 minutes, I squared off my position in the put option, and then I sold the 990 put option. This is because to hedge my position properly. Now, if you can see, I'm at the middle of both my positions, right? So in case even the market goes up tomorrow, I'll have some profits from my put side, and even if it goes down, I'll have some profit from my call side. And until both of these expire worthless by the expiry. So I'm going to wait and watch on this position. I just made this position because I was expecting the market to go up a little tomorrow, since we had a great move in Nifty. So if you see the Nifty chart, it kind of rose from this position to this position very fast, showing some really good momentum in buying. So I'm expecting that the market might go up a little tomorrow, but by the end of the expiry or maybe in a few days, the market should still correct itself and continue its downward trend. So that's what my view is on the market as of now, and let's wait and watch how it goes. So far, uh, like good day in terms that we booked some profit, but overall not a very good day because our overall notional profit went down from 35,000 to just 9,400. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. I hope you were able to learn something and possibly not repeat the mistakes that I did. Um, and yeah, that's it. Have fun. Take care. Bye.